Hi guys, my name is Gil. Welcome to Crypto Time channel. Today I want to bring a technique to spot traps using price action and hopefully make a good trade. So please consider subscribe, hit that bell to get the latest from our channel. So let's run the intro. So guys, today the subject is spot traps using only price action, so we can make good trades. So let's jump into the charts. Here we are. So I already have some of them just to save some time. So here we are in BTC for our chart. You can use that technique in different time frames if you want. If you are comfortable to use that in 5 minutes, that's fine. I would suggest though to use that in 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and so on. Okay, in longer time frames. So let's. So the principle here is to spot a trap or attempt the market attempt to break a high, a previous high or previous low, and then goes to the opposite direction. Okay, so that's is a trap. So let's pick one here for. Let's see. We have. Let's pick one here for the bulls. So yeah, so the first one here we can spot is this one here. So the price is going down, okay, and then we have this this red candle right here, and then that's a low. So we have a bottom here, okay. So I'm gonna mark that with this line. Okay, let's change to, let's keep red. And then the next candle, which is this green candle right here. So let me zoom in, make it easier. So the green candle just broke through the previous low, okay, right here. Okay, so as you can see, let me zoom in a little bit more. So right here, we have the green candle trying to change the direction and breaking through the previous low. So in this case, if that happens, if you spot the next candle, okay, so you're gonna see this breakthrough and then you're gonna wait for the next candle. If the next candle in this scenario close above the previous candle, or the candle which broke through the previous low, so here we just lost the previous low. Okay, the first attempt was to lose this one. So the next candle is just closing above, okay, it's just opening and closing above this candle right here. So that's our trigger, okay, that's our signal. So in this case, our signal to buy. So we would then spot this breakthrough here. So let's change to yellow. So this breakthrough, or once you next candle opens and close above the previous one, then it's your trigger. So you're gonna trigger your buying order right here in this situation, okay, because that means we have a false breakthrough previous low right here. So this is a trap, okay, this is a bad trap, at least here in the short term. And then I would have my stop loss right here. So let's skip this red line. So as our stop loss, and then my entering point would be right here. And then we could have, if you measure this movement, okay, let's turn off the magnet. So as you can see, here we are measuring the extension of the movement. Okay, so from our stop loss to our entering point using the Fibonacci extension tool. Okay, and in crypto we can set our profit targets to 200%, which is this level 2 right here, or 300%, which is this zone 3 Fibonacci level 3 right here. Okay, so our profit targets would be something like here if you are more aggressive, or level 2 here. Okay, so some traders they would take the risk at 100%, which is the number 1 here. So they would take the the risk or a partial right here, and then keep the keep the trade going at least up to 200 or 300%. So as you can see in this one, the price goes and hits that 300% level. Okay, so it's a very good trade. So we're gonna have a short, this technique, we're gonna have a short stop loss and a very good profit targets, okay, range. So which is very good for every single trader. Okay, so let's clean. So this is the the idea behind spotting a trap and then entering a trade, in this case for the bulls. So we're gonna buy in this case, and now I want to show one for the bears. So it's the same idea, guys, only the reference points are different. So in this case, we the price is moving in a uptrend. So as you can see, high highs and high lows, but then we have a top right here at this green candle. Okay, so we have a top. Okay, so let's mark that. So here's our top, and then the next candle, which is the this one here, this red candle, is breaking through, is trying to make another high, a higher high right here, breaking the previous high. Okay, but if to spot this trap, the next candle, which is this one, if that candle opens and closes below the candle which just broke through the previous high, that means we're gonna have a change of direction. Okay, so we're gonna go down now. In this case, we're gonna open selling orders. All right, so in this case, then I would, so let's mark our entering point right here. Okay, and then our stop loss would be right here. Let's change to red, and let's measure the extension of that movement. So here to here, and then we're gonna aim to get 200, 300%. That's up to you. So here, as you can see, the price goes and hits the 300, okay, level 3. So you could take profits if you want to do partials and take a risk out. So that is the zone or level 1, 100%. And then we're gonna aim to, you know, to set our trades to level 2 or even 3. Okay, so as you can see, we spot trap, the market changes direction and goes down in a downtrend now. So that's a good trade right here. So let's clean. I want to show a little bit more examples. You can back test that if you like to do. I would do if I were you. Just back test that to see. So here again we have a downtrend. So the market is moving down, as you can see, lower highs, lower lows, and right here we have attempt to break through a previous high. Okay, so if you mark that, this is our high right here. So this red candle just broke through this high right here, okay, this top. And then we're gonna aim the next candle. If the next candle opens and close below the candle which broke through, then we're gonna open selling orders. Okay, which means the market is gonna keep going down. Will keep going down. Will not change direction. Okay, in this case, we're gonna keep going down. So that being said, I would set my entering point somewhere here. I would have my stop loss right there. Let's change to red. Let's measure the extension of this movement. Oops. So let's just move. Yeah. Okay, somewhere right there. And then this time around, guys, as you can see, we got to level 2 right here, okay, but not at level 3. So as you can see, sometimes doesn't go to level 3. All right, so keep that in mind. Okay, so let's see one more, and then we can talk about another thing. So let's see this for the bulls right here. Okay, so we are going now on an uptrend, as you can see right here. So an uptrend. Yeah, you got an idea. So right here, okay, this candle, you could do that like all day long, different candles. You're gonna see works very well. So this candle right here, okay, I might actually let's see, I might start my giveaway now. So as you can see or could see, is I'm using price action to spot the, you know, the traps and then enter orders short or long, but I'm not using anything to see the overall picture of, you know, the trend. So it's a good idea. So that's my giveaway. So it's a good idea to use something that will show you where the market is going, you know, from our overall picture. Okay, not only in the short term. So to do that, I'm gonna use moving average. So you can go to your indicators and click click that, and you can start typing moving, bear with me, moving average. You can use this one right here, is available in the free version as well. So click on the star to add to your favorites. So let's add that. So here we have this blue line, I'm just gonna change. So I want you to change the default settings. So open up the properties, and now you just need to change the length from 9 to 8. Okay, that's what you need to do. And then let's just change the style and make maybe a thicker line. Okay, let's keep blue for the example. You can play around with that. So now we have a moving average to help us to identify the trend. Okay, so if the price is moving above the line, the moving average, that means we are in an uptrend. Okay, right here, an uptrend. If the price is moving below, then we are in a downtrend. Yeah, it's like that. Okay, easy. So here. Okay, so downtrend, uptrend. But now to use that MA in our favor, we're gonna spot a candle which is trying to break. Let's see if I can catch one here. I think I lost that one. One candle which is trying to, yeah, I think this one right here, is trying to lose a previous low. Okay, so we have this red candle right here. So the price is moving in an uptrend, and then we have a low right here at this red candle, and the next candle, this green one, just trying to lose, actually lost the previous low. So let's mark that. Let's zoom in. Okay, because these candles are very small. So here is the breakthrough. Okay, so it's trying to, to bring the market down right here. Then what we're gonna do is sometimes we can see that in the next candle, which is this one here, so the close is just above that, or sometimes we can get that in the same candle. As you can see here, it's closing above this one. So breaks through, trying to bring the market down, but close above the previous low, the candle which has the previous low. Okay, so that would be our trigger, our buying point right here. Okay, let's change to yellow. So that's our buying point. All right, and our stop loss would be, I'm gonna move that to this bottom here. Okay, so that's our stop loss, our entering point. Let's see the extension of this movement. Okay, and here we have, so let's aim to 2, maybe 3. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so as you can see right here, we got to the 300%. all right here. So that's your trade. Then you're safe. Okay, stop loss right there. And then market goes even, to 4 and more. Okay, let's pick one more. Let's delete that and that. So here we have a top. We had a top right here, okay, at this candle. So we are moving upwards, and then let's zoom in out. So we're going on an uptrend from down there all the way up to this candle. So this candle okay, is our top. So let's mark that. Okay, let's mark that. This candle is our top, so let's mark that. So that's our top, and then the next candle is breaking through the previous top, so this big green candle right here. And then we have to spot if that is a trap or not. So if you look at the next candle, which is this red candle here, is losing the previous candle's bottom right here. Okay, it's losing. It's losing. It's closing below this candle right here. So this candle is closing below this one. So this was a false breakthrough. Okay, so we would enter right here at this spot, and our stop loss would be right here. Let's change to red, and then let's mark our let's mark the extension and see what happens. So as you can see, again, the market goes to the 300% right there. Okay, and even here at the 400%. Okay, in this case. So the idea is, guys, again, to wrap up this video, I think it's been too long. So the idea is to spot false breakthroughs and then set your selling or buying orders and aim for 200%, 300%. Okay, and if you want to use the MA, use the MA8. So that will help you to identify, if you're gonna sell when the price goes below, or if you're gonna buy if the price goes above. So that's the trick. Okay, that's the giveaway. So if the price is breaking below, so you're gonna look to sell. Okay, if the price is moving or breaking above, we're gonna look to buy. So that's the giveaway. Okay, guys, I think that's the concept of rejection in the market, when the market rejects a direction. So it's trying to to keep moving upwards, and the market sometimes rejects that and change direction, at least for in the short term. Okay, so yeah, try that in different charts, in different time frames. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, you enjoyed this concept. Try it out, and please let me know in the comments what do you think, if it works for you. Yeah, anything and everything, please leave in the comments down below, and see you on the next video.